So our learning intention today is, can I solve subtraction problems? So we're doing this because this week have looked at place value and addition, so our final topic is subtraction. The things we need to remember when solving subtraction problems is we need to think about the values of the numbers, so we need to look at what number each number represents, so what tens does it have, what ones does it have. In subtraction, the biggest number normally goes first in the sentence, so for example 25 take away 5 equals 20. The biggest number there is 25, and normally the number gets smaller, whereas in addition it gets bigger. Now there are three ways that we work out these sums. We can use the tens and ones grid, we can use the 100 square, and we can also use the method where we just take away the ones and then the tens with a simple loop. So we've taken 3 from 5, 1 from 5.